G'day guys, and welcome back. And yes, this is another chainsaw will it run project. This is a Mcculloch 250, virtually the same saw as this Super 250 down here, but I won't spoil it as I don't know if I'm going to release the video for that before this one or after this one. Basically that is the high performance version of this saw. This is just a regular 250, that's a Super 250. But they are when I bought them, in a similar condition. As you'll see, I've already gone to the hassle of putting some penetrating oil on this bar and chain because, like the other one, they were seized. As you'll see, this pull start isn't retracting, so that's going to be the first thing I do is pull this housing off and see why that is. I get a feeling I know why, but I'll let the video tell you what that is. It is missing the rubber handle here and the rubber boot that goes over the spark plug there, the bigger knuckle style one. You'll see it here. Other than that though, this saw is pretty nice. So as usual, we're going to go through this, get this pull start working first, probably take the bar and chain off because they're going to be too tight to spin, and then take this air filter cover off, see if we got some spark and whatnot, and see if we can get it to fire up. So without further ado, let's get into that. Right, so I'm waiting for some tank sealant to dry on the 710 auto, and I've dug back into the 250 a little bit. I did pull that spring housing apart, and yes, the spring was snapped as you would expect. But a little pro tip that a mate and I found out at work: if you heat up spring steel and bend it, it will bend fine. Right, like it won't bend while it's cool, but if you heat it up red hot, it will bend fairly well. And then if you hold it in place until it is cool again, that will reshape the spring. As you can see, that tab there is bent up and wanting to spring back to where it is now. So I've bent up another tab to go in there, as you can see, and I'll put this on, put it all back together, set my preload kind of thing, and then we can finally pull that thing over and see what it's got compression wise, and see if we can get it to run. So let's get into it. So it has obviously been quite some time since I did those first Mcculloch 250, the Super 250, and I think I got the 710 Auto, my first of those style saws in that bunch. But we finished up on that 250. I didn't film an outro, I think, or either that or I lost it. I don't know if I filmed them for the Super 250 and the 710, so I might be using this same one for them. But as you saw with the 250, we got it up and running really nicely. It purred along and seemed to run fairly well. Cleaned up pretty well, and I was pretty happy with it. It's gone now. I've sold it off. As you'll see, there's heaps of stuff here that is coming up. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.